There she is, the Raptor.
Coordinate matched the tablet exactly. It's incredible. We'll use the front winch, pull it straight out. The vines are wrapped tight around the axle and the mud suction is severe. We need to clear those first. All right, keep the tension steady. We're gaining ground. Watch the line.
Keep it coming slow.
Clear on this side, boss.
Hook those binders tight, we're losing light. I'm seeing a lot of dust infiltration right here by the injectors. We should probably check the air filter housing as well.